Okay, once you've clicked on the link and gone to the downloads page, you'll find a download for your type of computer. Once the program's installed, just accept a couple of dialog boxes, then you'll enter a password. It needs to be a strong password, 8 digits minimum, letters, special characters, capitals, numbers. You'll never use this password again, but because you'll tick that auto login box. But anyway, you do that and then just go next. I normally just go A to get past the screen, and then go that. Now, that's as simple as that. You're now in Smart PSS, and as you can see, they've simplified it, just live view playback. Click on devices though, because the first thing you've got to do is add your device. So just go add, and then just put in a name, whatever you like. And then go through. The next step is to select the mode, and that's important. Select SN, because you'll normally be adding using the serial number that we've sent you, and your serial number goes in there, whatever it is, and then just simply enter your username and password that we've also sent you. And once you do that, down the bottom just click on add, and it'll add your device to the system. Okay, here's one I've prepared earlier, and as you can see, we're online. So the next step is to click on the home, and we can start using our system. Up top, home, takes us back to this page. Live view and playback, they're the only two things you'll ever do. So click on live view. That's pretty simple. You'll see a list of your cameras. If you double click on CCTV, in this case, you'll see all your cameras, or you can drop down a list and just look at one camera at a time. But live view, there's not a lot. Playback's more interesting, so click on playback. Again, drop down the list of cameras with playback and put a tick in the box. Then down the bottom, go search if you're happy, and you'll see today's date. You can change the date if you wish, and there we go. Just double click. You can expand it with your mouse wheel, and you've got your playback. So it's really as simple as that. You can then close down the windows up the top, tidy things up, and get back to the home page.